Is your hill start assist warning light on? Is your car rolling backward on hills? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 4 quick and easy fixes to get your hill start assist working again, without breaking the bank. First, what exactly is hill start assist? It's a safety feature that holds your brakes just long enough to stop your car from rolling back when you start on a hill. But like any system, it can sometimes malfunction and cause problems. Step 1. Check your brake fluid level. Low brake fluid can disable hill start assist. Open the hood, find the reservoir, and top it up if it's low. Make sure you use the right brake fluid type for your vehicle. Check your owner's manual. Step 2. Look at your brake pads and wheel speed sensors. Worn brake pads or faulty sensors can trigger errors and stop hill start assist from working properly. If your pads are thin or sensors look damaged, it's time to replace them. Step 3. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. These codes tell you exactly what's wrong, like faulty sensors or control module issues. You can buy an affordable scanner online or visit a mechanic to get this done. Step 4. Reset or recalibrate your hill start assist system. Some cars allow you to do this with the scanner, others have a manual reset procedure in the owner's manual. Follow the instructions to clear errors and recalibrate the system. If your hill start assist still isn't working after these steps, it might be a more complex electronic fault. In that case, visit a professional technician for advanced diagnostics or reprogramming. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy car repair tips. Got questions or your own fixes? Drop a comment below, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.